Gwlad yr iad sy'n gartrefol iawn. Jyst bod o'n hyd yn oed oerach na fa ma. Hwyl garw am 4 diwrnod.
Although there's been this glasnost effect, you know, and Welsh language scene, you know.
Right, okay, yeah.
All right, our viewpoint is the language is safe, yeah? Well,
yeah.
It's always a battle there, but we're doing this out of a position of strength, because we think the Welsh language is so fucking strong.
Yeah.
It can handle us going around the world singing English and Welsh, you know.
The north of Iceland, lle mae hard ar wy'n y ffyddiad. So mae gyd wedi dystod i fyny sbardeiar?
Oedd y trefnwr yn i fyny'r parc cenedlaethol. Mae'n eir a trwm. Minus y fath gwirion 30 neu fath. Oedd hi ar y lan. Oedd ni fan o. Dros y lliwch trwy'r eira. Dwi'n sôn dyn ni ganol o. Twllwch llwyr. Oedd hi'n lliwchio yn erbyn mynydd yn Gwlad yr Ia. Efo 3 can o gwrw a packet o fiscuits rhwngtho ni.
Can you move this way a bit?
Well, I mean, priorities to make fantastic albums, you know.
Right.
We're in a band because we're obsessed with music.
Yeah. But is pop music, do you think pop music's important?
What?
Do you think pop music's important in the world?
Yeah, well, I'm obsessed with it, you know. But the gwadu, deny, I can't deny it. I love melody and I love sugary melodies. And
really, yeah.
That make you feel happy, you know. It can affect you like food, you know.
Yeah.
You know, if paracetamol doesn't work, you can try out the tune. Mamas and Papa's song, Glad to Be and Happy. It's like the sweetest song ever. It's going, I'm so glad to be and happy. You know, and they're going, yeah, this song.
Bydd o'n i gyd troi fewn i Green Fields after then for a million years. Yeah.
Mae'n jyst ti'n mwyn gytrefol, oedd yn mynd i Cynarfon yr la. Cynarfon mawr, un o'r llefydd cnesa ar ran temperament. Eithon ni llynydd.
Singer. Guitar. Bass. Up. Odne. Nawr dy Brian. Nawr dy Attifo. Nawr dy Attifo. Okay.
Sounds steady. Gengur áfæg?
Má sjá eitt uppar. Það frekar loftið þar. Counting down. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, this song is called If You Don't Want Me to Destroy You, take a leaf at all my book, turn it round and I'm in love.
Eitt uppar. Það frekar loftið þar.
You to destroy you, I'll commit myself to be in and out of every tree. Gravity, you just threw me down so quietly. You just threw me down to earth. Let me go into the depths of your infinity. I can sense your presence in the vicinity. La-la-la, la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la. La-la-la, la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la. La-la-la, la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la.
Nos Mercher, Iceland, cold.
Sit up.
Hi ar y Mac ac Amazon's McDonald's.
Fi'n Mac.
Dwi'n mynd i McDonald's.
Mor rai ar y Mac. Dwi'n meddwl yn sioc.
Seriously, Dan.
Seriously. Dwi'n dechrau at ei gilydd o'i cyn i fynd i Germany, de?
O, ie.
Ne.
A dan,
Chwarae, dwi'n ystod.
ond, ti'n fa, by'n iawn, trafeilio i journey.
Just
Cysgu ar y bus, ie. A wedyn, cael y journey. And you'll be alright.
Na, os gynnu di Hamburg, a fyddai'n mynd trwy Holland.
Exactly.
Yeah.